Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. When it comes to making quick, simple and easy lunch recipes, variety rices are something that we go to. Now I've made several variety rice recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. Today I'm going to share a very tasty yet simple rice recipe. We're going to make pepper rice. Let's get started and check it out. We first have to prepare a spice powder for this rice. Take 1 tablespoon of peppercorns in a mortar. Also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to it and roughly pound them in a pestle. It need not be a fine powder, it can be a bit coarse. You can also pulse these two twice or thrice in a mixer jar if you don't have a mortar with you. This is a medium consistency we are looking for. This adds a great texture to the rice. Now keep this aside. You can also store this in an airtight container just like the other masala powders. To make the pepper rice, take a white pan or kadai, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Also add 2 teaspoons of ghee in it. To this, add 1 teaspoon of channa dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few cashew nuts to add a nice crunch to the dish. Mix it well and roast the ingredients. Once they are browned, add ¼ teaspoon of hing and thinly sliced garlic cloves. Also add 1 finely chopped large onion. Mix these all well. Add about 4 slit green chillies. You can skip the garlic if you want, it is optional. Now add a few fresh curry leaves. Keep the flame on low and saute the ingredients. After about 30 to 40 seconds, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix again. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pepper and cumin powder. Keep the flame on low and mix. Now transfer the cooked rice to a pan and mix it all well with the onion base. So you can make this pepper rice either with fresh rice or with leftover rice. Gently mix the rice with the masala and check for seasoning. You can add a bit of salt if needed. After you've mixed it all well, add 1 more teaspoon of pepper cumin powder in the end to maintain the flavor in the dish. Mix it all again. Now I'm adding about ¼ teaspoon of salt because it's not sufficient for me. So you can adjust the salt according to your taste. There you go, here is this delicious pepper rice which is ready to be served nice and hot. This doesn't need any side dish, but you can have fries or fries by the side if you want. This also makes for a perfect lunchbox recipe. So now it's time to taste the pepper rice. Just going to take a nice spoonful of that. So yummy. The flavors were just simple and subtle but just amazing. The flavors of pepper and cumin, it's not spicy at all and it's a very mild rice. So you can pack this for your lunch boxes and you can serve it with any side dish of your choice. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.